Hi guys, Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. Today we are going to make some pesto from the garden. So I was just out in the garden all morning and was harvesting and weeding and weed trimming and doing all the fun stuff you have to do in the garden. And we are going to make some pesto. So watch this. Pesto.
Pardon?
Pesto. This one does, yep. Usually, traditionally, they have pine nuts in it, but you can put any nut you want in it. Thank you for watching today's video. It is easy as that. I used probably 3 cups of basil, maybe 2.5 cups of Parmesan. I don't know how much oil I put in there because that's just kind of to feel. And the lemon juice I kind of put in there to feel as well. I put 6 cloves in there. Fresh cloves from the garden. The basil is also from the garden. The nuts aren't from the garden. But, and it's that simple. Those ingredients, lemon juice, Parmesan, basil, and nuts. And olive oil. 5 ingredients. You can put it in the fridge. That's why I put them in those bags. We're gonna lay them flat in the fridge and they're gonna freeze. I'll put the date on them, what they are, and next time we make some fish, we like to have halibut with pesto and a little crust on it, and that's the way we normally eat it. So now we have it in the freezer ready to go, which it's not always easy to find out here, as rural as we are, to find pesto when we need it. So it's nice to have it in the freezer and something that we made ourselves. Knowing that it's organic as well makes my heart happy. Knowing that it was grown responsibly and not sprayed with anything at all makes me happy. So God bless you guys. See you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Next time we'll probably be out in the garden or be somewhere on the homestead doing stuff. We have a lot of stuff going on here this time of year. God bless you guys. Bye.